Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you how to USB boot your Samsung laptop and install Ubuntu on it. So first of all, we are going to restart our PC, and when it restarts you're going to press F9 so that you can go to the boot menu. I'm clicking F9 right now. And there we go, and I'm going to do a live boot without installing. And this is the process you go through, and this will start opening the Ubuntu files. Then you can try using it. In my case, I'm going to be opening a hard drive and test and see things that are there. And this is the process that you go through. And currently my PC has Windows 8.1. And this is the process. It's almost done. Now we have our Ubuntu, and this is how it looks like. And our Ubuntu is now open, but right now we can use it before even installing it and see the features if are those things that we want to use. Can also connect on Wi-Fi, and let me try entering the password. And when your internet is connected, you can also go to Google before even installing the Ubuntu. I'm going to try searching for my yes, this is searching. This is the way you can do a quick search in case your laptop has issues. Please subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.